Super 13. Today we are going to discuss about English, like what is English, what is the purpose of English, what is the theme of English, and what is the aim of English, and the last but important, why study of English. The answer of that all provide you motivation to learn English, to speak English, to write English. If you want to know about that all, then you can continue this class. First of all, we see what is English. If anybody know about that all, if anybody know about that, then you tell me. Sorry, English is an international language. But one question comes in our mind: why English is considered as an international language? Why don't Hindi? Why don't English? Why don't Farsi? Why don't Sanskrit? If you have an answer, then you tell this. But most of students tell that, sir, I don't know why English is considered as an international language. Don't worry, I explain this. We know that in world different languages are used. I say that in world we know in world different languages are used. Different languages are used. Different languages are used. So therefore communication gap create. What? Communication gap create. So that communication gap create between all the countries. But English is one of the language. English is one of the language which maintain unity in diversity of the language. Control